Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready to battle the ultimate British versus American English quiz challenge? Test your knowledge with 50 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word master. This quiz will help you learn the subtle differences between British and American English, so watch the video till end and comment your score. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you choose the correct version of this word? Correct answer is British version. Let's see if you can spot the right version. Yes, it's American version. Which version do you think is correct? Correct answer is British version. Think you know the answer? Yes, it's American version. What's your guess? Correct answer is British version. Time to test your knowledge. It's American version. Can you guess the right one? Well done, British version is correct. Think you know the answer? Yes, that's American version. Let's see if you get this one. Correct answer is British version. Do you know this one? Yes, it's American version. Here's a tricky one. What's your guess? That's right, American version. Can you pick the correct version? Yes, British version is correct. What's your answer? Correct, American version. Are you ready? Choose the right version. Well done, British version. Which version is this? That's American version. Let's see if you're paying attention. Correct answer is British version. Which version is this? Yes, it's American version. Time for the next one. What's your answer? Correct, British version. Can you get this right? Spot on, American version. What do you think? Correct, British version. Let's keep going. What's your guess? Yes, American version is correct. Which one is right? Correct answer is British version. Guess the version. That's right, American version. Choose the correct option. Well done, British version. How about this one? British version. Think carefully, what's the correct version? Yes, British version. Can you guess the right version? Correct answer is American version. Let's see if you're a language expert. That's British version. Pick the correct version, British or American. Yes, American version. Here's another one. What's your guess? Correct. British version. Test your skills. Which version is correct? American version. What's the correct one? Yes, British version. Choose wisely. Which version is this? Correct, American version. Can you spot the right version? Well done. What's your final answer? Yes, American version. Another quick one, British or American? Correct, British version. Ready to answer? That's right, American version. Here's a challenge. Which one is right? Correct. British version. What do you think the answer is? Yes. American version. Can you get this one right? Spot on. British version. British or American, what's your choice? That's British version. Time to guess. Yes, American version. What version do you think it is? That's right, American version. Do you know the correct version? That's right, American version. Try this one. Which version? Yes, American version. What's your guess this time? Correct answer is American version. Are you ready for this one? British version. Can you pick the correct version? Correct! British version. Test your skills. Which version is correct? Correct answer is British version. Final challenge, British or American? Yes, it's British version. Well done. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 50 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!